For Shakespeare's Hamlet, the question was to be or not to be. For a pedal car collector, the question is to restore or not to restore. 30 years ago, there would have been no question. I would have immediately restored this 1929 Rio car made by the Sedgwick Top Lift Company. But over the years, collectors have changed their approach. Collectors who've come into the hobby recently really value what they call patina. That in their definition includes light surface rust. So this car I intend to leave pretty much as it is. Between the two ends of the spectrum, leaving a car totally untouched or completely restoring it, I have found the middle ground that I call partial or limited restoration. These two 1950s cars are a good example of that. This Capri needed to have the chrome replated because it was rusty. It also had lost all the silver paint here in its grille, so I carefully repainted that, otherwise left the car as is. Same way here on this Kidillac. It had rusty chrome. It has all been redone. It also was missing a hood ornament that I was able to add.